There are many ways you can execute to earn money online, but the method I'm about to show you today is very simple because so many people have been doing it, and of course they earn money while doing it. As you are watching this video, people are earning real cash in their bank account with this method. Step 1. You have to visit this website using your phone or your computer. Step 2. Select a short YouTube video, click play and watch it. Step 3 is the actual part where you get paid real with money straight into your PayPal account. It's very simple, right? Take a look at all these real payment proofs where people from all over the world are making money today from this website. In this tutorial I will show you how to earn up to $50 per hour by watching videos. This is one of the easiest ways to make money online this year 2022. If you assume this method is not available in your country, don't give up, because this method works worldwide and is 100% free. Soon we find out how to do it. Make sure to watch this video till the end, because I'll be giving special bonus tips that will double or even triple the amount of money you earn. Before we start this money-making tutorial, feel free to like this video, subscribe and turn on notification to stay updated for the next latest video. Without further ado, let's get into the video. First of all, I want you to come over to this website called followfast.com. Basically, this website offers us an opportunity to make money online by simply watching videos. Let's take a look at all these recent payout histories. They're showing you people from all over the world who are cashing out real money every single day. Take a look at all these withdrawals. That just shows you that this website is very transparent when it comes to how much money you can earn and how much you can cash out. All these people came from different countries and still they're able to cash out their earnings from this website. Are you excited to make such money? Me too. In order to do that, please don't miss a single step in this video. First and foremost, I want you to click on this join button right here. That's going to take you to this page right here where you can register and sign up for a free account. Just fill out your username, your email address, and your password. Next is your location. They'll automatically detect your location, but don't worry because they accept people from all over the world. Finally, you can solve the CAPTCHA here by typing in whatever numbers or letters that pops up right here. Once you fill out all the details, just click this blue button that says join right here. Don't you worry because you can do this on your smartphone or on your computer. Once you're done signing up, this is what your dashboard would look like. As you can see, it has plays, likes, dislikes and even subs. For now, I want you to click on plays. That will then take you to this page where you can watch YouTube videos and make money online. Okay, pay close attention. The first bonus tip that I want to give you is that you have to watch the videos for at least 35 seconds in order to earn the points. Once you earn those points, you can then exchange them into real money. For example, if you watch this video, you'll earn this amount of points. So all you have to do is click on this play button right here and that's going to take you to that YouTube video over here. And when you go back to followfast.com, you can see here that they start the countdown for 35 seconds. Once this goes from 35 to 0, you'll start to earn points. That means you don't have to actually watch the videos. You can just pause the video right here, go back to the website, just wait for 35 seconds, and you'll earn these points as simple as that. Let me show you another example. These are the points that you're going to earn by watching this video. Simply click on this play button right here and again, that's going to take you to YouTube. Just pause the video because you don't have to actually watch it. While doing that, go back to the website and just wait for 35 seconds and these points will be added automatically to your balance. This is literally very simple and easy. You can watch as many videos as you want. Okay. Now I'm going to give you another bonus tip where you can double or triple your earnings. For example, if you want to watch more videos at the same time to earn more points, you can open up a new tab using your phone or your computer and watch another video. This means that you don't have to wait for 35 seconds just to watch one video. The best part is you can do this as much as you want. You can even do this with 2, 5 or even 10 videos at the same time. For example, you can open up this tab, click on play and watch this video at the same time. You can open up another tab, click on play and watch a second video. This is a very cool and efficient way to watch over 10 to 20 videos at the same time. By watching a lot of YouTube videos, you can make a lot of money much faster compared to other people. So this section right here shows the stack of credit points that are added automatically to your balance. Now I'm going to give you another bonus tip. When you're watching YouTube videos, just like this one, click on the gear icon right here and make sure that you actually play the videos faster by changing the playback speed from normal to double. Another tip is to change the quality of the video. By default, it should be on auto. If you have a very slow internet or you're using a very limited data, you could select 144 pixel right here to reduce the quality of the video playback. That's going to save you a lot of time and data. By doing that, you can watch a lot of videos more efficiently so you can earn more money in much lesser time. Okay, let's move on to the next bonus tip. When you click on daily bonus right here, you're going to come to this page where you can claim daily or even hourly bonus points. As you can see here, free points every day, log in daily, do 15 likes, or click on the button below to earn bonus points. Now you just have to log into your account every day and then watch at least 15 videos. You can get at least 100 daily points by doing so. If you want to cash out your earnings, just click on this cash out button right here. That's going to take you to this page where you can choose your payment method. You can be paid via PayPal, Perfect Money, or Bitcoin. But if you don't have any of these payment methods right here, don't worry because you can cash out with different payment options. Okay, this is how it works. Once you earn points by watching videos, you can then convert those points into real money. The best part is they have a payment threshold of only $1.50. This means that you just need to earn $1.50 in order to cash out your earnings. That is their minimum payout system. Once you earn at least $1.50, you can request a payout. After doing that, you just have to wait for 3 to 5 business days in order to receive your money. This is an easy way for you to make money online, and only a few people know about this. I encourage you to use this strategy to your advantage. That is my step-by-step tutorial on how to make money by watching videos. If you want to learn more tricks and strategies on how to earn money online, just check out some of my other tutorials on this channel. Subscribe and make sure you hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my future uploads here. See you in the next video.